These keys are too small. I can't do this.
Maybe your fingers are too fat.
Maybe you're too fat.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go.
I ain't gonna cry too long. I'm back on my drip. Drip, my drip, my drip.
I'm on a sugar crash, I ain't gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a bath. Don't wanna be someone else, just don't wanna hate myself. Just don't wanna hate myself. Instead I wanna feel good.
The end is unexpected. Dip 1.
Fortnite, we bout to get down. 10 kills on the board right now.
Dip 5.
Just wiped out Tomato Town.
Dip
My
10.
friend just gone down. I revived him, now we're heading southbound. Now we're in the Pleasant Park
Tag a
streets.
friend.
Look at the map, go to the marked sheet. Take me to your Xbox to play Fortnite today. You've been taking my
I froze my shirt last night.
I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go.
So I'm kind of different from most girls. I like to organize my stuff. Like I have my camera drawer right here, and then I have my spiritual drawer right here, which most people like don't know much about. And then I actually don't remember what's in the
Want a break from the ass?
Hey, not gonna work. Can we go thrift shopping?
No.
Has anyone figured out how to say y'all sound crazy in a professional setting? There seems to be a disconnect. Customers want to be right so bad. Like, damn, go clock in since you know so much. Well, tomorrow was shit. No. Mom, can I borrow $10? Mom, what happened to that $10 I gave you in 2007? Next time I open up to someone is my autopsy. Okay, no. Will I have a date for Valentine's Day? No. Also no, but in yellow. It's facts. Just did my own taxes. I should be in jail by Friday.
Bro, where the fuck my noodles at, folk?
Hey, what's in your hands?
There's nothing in my hands.
What's in your
officer.
hands?
Nothing, I
Open your
swear.
hands.
All right.
Oh, what are you, a comedian?
Actually, officer, I'm a magician.
Okay, up against the wall, Houdini.
Yes.
You hiding something?
In a matter of speaking.
You hiding something?
Possibly.
Oh, we got something here? Okay, listen, I'm gonna give you one chance. Show me that bag.
All right, officer, if you insist.
Slowly bring it out.
El Pepe. El Pepe. El Pepe. El Pepe.
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Rainbow tree, plus I got this brown in me. Curly yellow dancing on me. Say she smell the green on me. And she straight from the
So this guy on Twitter made a whole thread about all the weird things Trump has done for the past 4 years, just to remind you. Number 1, he stared directly into the sun during a solar eclipse. He catered an all McDonald's dinner because he caused the government shutdown and there was nobody to cook food at the White House. The Orb. He threw paper towels into the crowd after the hurricane in Puerto Rico. He saluted a North Korean general. He person, woman, man, camera, TV, hawking beans during a pandemic. That power handshake he had to stop. He got too comfortable with the American flag. He drew the hurricane projection with a Sharpie, shoving aside another world leader to walk in front. He had toilet paper on his shoe. This was a big thing. Lest we not forget the tiny desk. Telling a 7-year-old there's no Christmas. Scotch taping his tie together. Holding hands like a toddler with Theresa May. Watergate. Refusing to share his umbrella, then dumping it open in front of Air Force One. Signing Bibles like for part 2.
Me voy a matar. Me voy a matar. Este es mi último. Me voy a matar.
Obama. Start separating.